Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Disney Rewards Visa step by step clearly. Start by obtaining your Disney Rewards Visa card if you don't already have one. Once you have your card, familiarize yourself with your rewards structure. Log into your Disney Rewards account online to view your balance and rewards statements. Create a dedicated budget for your Disney-related expenses. Determine how much you can spend on Disney trips and experiences. Allocate funds for annual passes, merchandise, dining, and accommodations. Link your Disney Rewards Visa to your everyday spending. Consider using your card for all purchases to maximize rewards. Track your spending carefully to stay within your budget. Review your monthly statements to monitor your rewards earnings. Set a goal for how many points you want to accumulate for your next Disney trip. Plan your trip timing based on when you'll have enough rewards points. Redeem points for Disney gift cards, park tickets, or hotel stays. Keep receipts and document all purchases made with your rewards card. Re-evaluate your budget quarterly to adjust for changes in expenses or rewards. Make sure to pay off your balance every month to avoid interest charges. Stay informed about special promotions through your rewards program. Use the mobile app to easily manage your rewards and budget on the go. This strategy will help you enjoy the magic of Disney without overspending. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.